Adishimama ye mo bibia chimo akaba e de bago kensi edwumadie so drew ha na te se de agodie unsem de coach ko be mane akeka bo animo na ye de abrama so atimi ahye ne nso wote ofilia efia amankwa tamaklo woni kaba for long ko just arba for champion for short omo kabo mi se SN enya na ayi no so be na yi a wezu de mo asem ben wo so be ware nye no ane se de okomo ade ne omen oso obewa no aware a obo oware ne de nkamo de mo asembe esien so obeware be no ana yese nkene ba so antimi amaso eno ye ensem kakra ye di etwem but sene so say ye di ensem di be free ye Ghana Football Association abre we san say ene na nyame adom age se bibi huhu bi sidie anje sa de na vice president beda ho no ye to ho aba ene ye bebo ahoma pie mo Ghana Football Association aso ene atwetwe nkobo kuma se asante kotoko $800,000 budget wo de betu da omo ye ne same na ye fundraising kese bi betodwa venue no mpo ye hefa me de bebro ene anopay no hu se die ECT na omo preparation towers ye super cup betodwa Sunday wa Accra Sports Stadium so kosene ensema ye de bro yes aso e wa ensem foforo be pie mu Ghana Boxing Authority ensem bia todwa spokesperson de Ghana Boxing Authority sa so na former GBA boss Ora Moses former ni so nsem wo na fe kwa ama no ni so o ka referee no di Liverpool ni Manchester United over the weekend no threat amanfo so wo be sa yare biem ehun sensem be braba betodwa ne ehun sensem foforo yesa wo ensem ahodo aka Real Madrid ene Rayo Vallecano de share so 2-0 ye ho semina wo we ni nsem ahodo aka na na no pe me de bro e wa go kansi edwumadie so na so atimi ahye ne so medin e de Adam eje Tony Adams me na me di edwumadie ho chia me sabe de ye ntwentwen so ye be hyase e de free ye Ghana Football Association ya hwe said ye nsem ni AC ko na no e na de aba betodwa ye executive committee ene wo mu nyina egusu a yehwe animi se bato ebekoso na vice president akonya edawo wo Ghana Football Association edawo a ye beto so aba owura Adam Nkala MNS do na wo mu nyina hwe animi se wo mu betimi akopie mu na afi FA vice akonya no wo mu etimi apre nenso de aba beto dwa ne se owura MNS do ono atwene ho afiri mu saa so na Adam Nkala eso atwene ho afiri mu nti se de esi kika kwonde wan hwa na ene enipa ba akopɛ ene ekofo device na owura Fred Crensil sabato no baso nko ade a na ne yensema atimi aba abeto eja yeguso boaboa wonte ye bepie mo Ghana Football Association afi atwetwe enkomo no ewo ho na ensem no eguso ekoso na ebamu a na se opanini beken wan ene na abetwetwe enkomo ewo agokensie dwumadie so na hye ne so se me se vice president position no abeda ho no a vacant position no na ye to so aba hwan na ekọ edi ama no se de esi kika kọ de wan hwa na ora frequency na bibia aba abeda na baso na yetimi se de bibia si akọ animo na no yensem a yetimi de aba beto jaba yeguso ebo ahoma no se de be bibia betimi akọ animo ama ye hu se de sitie ye nto aso mfa ensem ne mre ode ana ye kwa akopie mu Kumasi Asante Kotoko na Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso ye ensem a ye de tudwa obeka ya weekend yi omo ye press conference bi echiechie mu ko mo fa so de akopie mu Africa eno ye CAF Champions League afi omo no be represent Ghana no eno omo de betudwa so mehia be budget ni na be $800,000 eno no omo de be bo dwumadi ama bibia atimi akoye eno podi we de budget se de otimi wan hwe kra ne be kwa akodu be na se ye de bi be pem so se de onim supplementary bi e be count se de be bibia be koye na so omo purchase scan de omo de we adin ka ba betudwa na Africa Cup committee no wo mo ti omo no obi a de 1,000 Ghana cedis ekoto eno ye seed money yo omo de ekoto omo account mo Fidelity omo twa ni se bebre sudi ebi ebe kan ama eni ama timi akoye etimi edi amo but apart from that Samre enche na wotwe edi animu ayi a fundraising kese bi beto dwa be ka press conference na omede tudwa but venue no am beto dwa na venue no ana yadudom agokensi adudom wen se nyame ya adom a eno menhia palace wo na sa fundraising omede be hye so ya nana otumfo osetutu the second wono na adwumadi nbe sini na so ya tsana so na sa fundraising no ebe koso na nimsi ye bibi o manhia dia na te etitiri pa na ekọ akopie mo chance korofo apie sika emu odu pa na om dia adwumati hye ne so te sa fundraising kese ya mpanifo kan a hye ho bo no ebe todwa na etodwa so a na ye manhia na etodwa na eno eye nsem a agokensi yadodom na ya edi abro ama ohun se de bibia AC aircon ntinam se da ne de nyina no pa bia pemre na hwe ago kensi tanse nsem no se de sitie ne yebdom na ye de abro ama ohun se de AC aircon se we kumasi asante kotokodo na abrantie ba akọ efero chaya onu si akan ewo Uganda si akan ma da Ugandan senior national team omo twa se na otwemo beba be pie mo Ghana ha na fe ni bibia wie peye na fe si akan ama kotoko sa so na ne kotokofo hye omo training ase ahead of a super cup match on bebo no Sunday omni Edubiase football club eno ye nsema kotoko nsema no pay me de bro now yen come back to Ghana Football Association vice president akonya aba beta ho ensem ya aba ne ne communications director de Ghana Football Association ora Ibrahim Sani Dara entwetwen komo ora Sandara mo akwa aba de ba go kan se adwumadie so
ye ne Adam
na appointment say
mpacho apombo kona munso e
nyankopa adom wode ache e na abato ne beba so vice president abato ne beba so
yeah executive committee meeting anopay na executive committee meeting ne mo ana ombe decide whether say ombe vice president say mrani chere say executive committee meeting ne ombe vice president mieti ne say e wa agenda no so say anopay ye be discuss here no say mpenifo hu say e wo say to aba no ena ombe to aba no.
All right, not say Samre ya meni wo ka say de si e beto si entuo e be gina the outcome of sa executive committee na ye na no pay ye no.
Ai say omo na omo tumi a ombe fa obi e wo omo ntem.
Okay.
Na obeba be vice president. Omo e wa agenda no say ye be discuss it. A bit me up to the point say election better so immediately wo hono mo.
Na wa so said ya wusi hwemu anu omo etwetwe nkomo se wa na ayo om kasa mafo wo cha de odi waso tietie anu om twetwe nkomo no ebeba so.
Well me me wo mpenifo adwim say eye nkrofo bibri na executive committee for no enye omo ye efi edwuma say Juma from 9 a.m. To say board of directors. And the meetings na the idea na edi omu ba every ho. And unti mean some poll views. Because omu na any ho at the same time. And inti kamesre se yentu yembo na ye committee ni ya na yetumi ahun ye besi wo ho.
Okay, now I also say ene anopeyi omu ye executive committee meeting one sha ne baso anu ombeto na the echi bebre agency say the two newly elected executive committee members near you day ye beso omu in ansa na omu di say adwumade na na so omu cry executive committee meeting e kwaso anopeyi omu nka ho.
Oh, there be agenda na e wosu ne say anopeyi nkrofo mienu no ye beso omu in. Yes, we in here na almost ya electoral data. I think you best swarm in na on my babet na Jumedi nase. And it's no crown a first on the agenda na a Juma Akano a betwaso.
Ebi mu say yes swarm in na say bimpo or more bay obi wa interesta nanka mo anya fair to independence say e ho no be canvass for a voter na say nanka montwe nko animu. And sometimes say bi say mote wa mo aso e.
Oh, sir, obi our quality biano. Ne colleagues ni nanim no. Omo ya elect omo enye nkrofo fufro e Ghana football mu. Afen so enya ade aye ya bie nomination bi say ya bie nomination from betum. Among executive committee no more will decide say this person or make us say position na ba bedaho. And inti who are interested, one man sasso. So and you be a nomination to say last week elections na and ye bisa. And inti my ready some bedina ekunano ombetimi adina ekunano instantly I saw.
All right. Now any ora as Ibrahim Sani Dara bedo asasa no pay oni e betwetwe nkomo efa dwumadie so na wa cheche de ekoto bia nti de be pie bia so ye be sa no atwetwe nkomo na afi ya hwese de ensem na isi ko
yo me da se bebre
me so me edase Ibrahim Sani Dara wono kasamafo de Ghana Football Association wono ene de ensem yi ebetu dwa cheche mi se sambe yi kasa ye executive committee for ni hia ye niam e da agenda no so ni se wo mo beso in the newly elected executive committee members Ura Kujofiano ni Ura Doku na fe omo awie na omo ahwe se ampo vice president akonya na da no betimi atoso aba na ato mtimi 20 yenhwe said the executive committee meeting ni bebe na wie na bibia timi atodwa na agokansie so na wusu a wo ya wo hwe nsem ne de Abraham ho said the bibia si se amre kopie mo Ghana boxing authority na no na nsem bi beto odwa na no memenda e was sports wo dwumadie no so asempa but asaba ehun nsem yema hu said the esi ekoye spokesperson e de Ghana boxing authority e de nsem bi tudwa efa e de tena ne dwumadie course e de ba ora Moses for amwani abra no penny e de Ghana boxing authority na nsem yi ora Mohammed Amin Lamte o spokesperson e de Ghana boxing authority this answer ni tudwa yentie wode tudwa wie na fe yase atie Moses for amwani so response.
Who is in charge? Samir Captain is the overall boss of Ghana Boxing Authority. He has a vision.
Some mandate na ye de man no Abraham enwuye ni
Adam said that is one thing I'm okay. Then I look at it and sometimes I don't know what to say. Me more antecedent now. Moses Formoni has been there for 16 years because those days the idea of going to Congress was not there. The likes of the first GBA president, the late DF Anand, he has been in office for 8 years. Nico Emens, unfortunately, on an office within 1.5 years and on Oyari and the Moses take over. So we nim Sadi Sesian
point of interest in say more time was so and I say soon and I say more time was so but when Congress in it and Amoyan said yeah
Adam said
a pandada and Namoyan
my main cast some trail. The GBA did not come into office by themselves. Members no Obin upon Chomo. Say Okasanka Abano can say hey your time is up ABCD and one about to met now catching who says American Captain is the chairman and I mean more antecedent no. It is something that has been there for years. We are not used to ABA because the normal idea ever cratanos on say HSA we are 2 years you have to go until this time it has never happened. Samuel Captain Kwana Ochinesui edu 2 years and Uncle started saying Muye Bobo. Let me tell you, do you know why people are doing all these things? One, I have been in boxing for years administratively. Samuel Captain has been one of the best administrators in boxing. You know why? He has been there for years. This is somebody who has been a boxing fan, transformed himself into a trainer, a manager, a promoter, the chairman of promotion, member of the GBA.
Mohammed Amin Lante and Sama wano ede eba na ye o kan sem ni ewie no yentie said ye Moses Formoni so response o de man no
and some background na me no bi obekan a enye no kre na mpese me cheche san say we tie for no they must learn back or say me I spent 16 years. You know, it is this sort of liar almost pester all over the place enye no kre I was joined the GBA 96 because Ura Yofi Boham was then a board member and then he wanted to promote. So he resigned and I got onto the board in 96. He resigned because the rule in professional boxing administration is say we are administrator, untumi a licensee, right? In reality, I became a second vice chairman in around 2000. I acted as chairman in 2003 because Nico Menza was not well. Now, in 2005, an interim management board was set up and which I headed. I was confirmed as chairman of the GBA in 2007. 2009 in the EFO. So those are the facts. In Mr. Amin Lamte, if he wants to educate himself, he should educate himself on that matter. Two, at this stage, there are serious legal issues with the board. One, the Ghana Boxing Authority was established by law, SMCD 54, and then LI 1088. We have a law, no, and that a Juma say GBA, the period they were supposed to spend. Two, that law has been repealed. LI 1088, year for you. And Obika said, well, wait now 10 years, and whether the person was there, it's neither here nor there. The law is gone. So you can no longer have an excuse, whether we were extended or whatever it is. You have no excuse. Now, there are legal implications. Some of the dereliction lies on the Ministry of Youth and Sports and the National Sports Authority.
Okay. Now, and some way part one. Part two. As well, sports world. But now we are similar in a position why obejiti why one be call shots no e wo back be baso wo mti se bibi be paso mpa Floyd Mayweather and eso wo determine why na benya se why na benya se ene yan sem om dia ba betua na ke nya hwe nka 55-45 dia nka Mayweather team o meji atum dia kone sabe dia team Mayweather almost say asem na Floyd eye Manny Pacquiao e kan ayi almost and yes some of the aba betu jana no so ne egina ne yede agokansie dwumadie no atimi aba so na yene enene ensema yede beba na wie ye agokansie dwumadie no so na so ye dase so onye otwen honhom etimi hwe ye ma yede nsem ni nyina etimi ebro na nsema beto ja afa fa GFA Vice President who said me asene so awie 5 ehia ye be piani na so ade aba begum ama won said city medi ade Adam eje Tony Adams chiakese nkoma oru akujofiano o say Badwam agukansie wo hwe papa nti oru akujofiano ye chem se sami o executive committee ni so o ye meeting but obi be ka che ni se ye chia no enti me so kaba de pensempensemu bro na de aka nyina so ofili afia manko atamaklo so de afisem abroad nana ya brefo wo far away US and we sensema edaho ama la vida love life